Sometimes when generating Raman images, you may wish to look deeper into the surface of your sample. Hi, my name is George and I'm an application scientist at Renishaw. Today I'm going to talk about the volume viewer in the Wire software and how you can use it to view your sample in 3D. With our systems, it's possible to not only produce 2D chemical maps of a surface, but also stunning 3D volume images to see the presence, location and size of features in your sample. Thanks to the high confocal ability and high throughput of the NVIDIA Raman microscope, you can image subsurface features at high resolution. Volume images can be created using the same analysis options as one-dimensional profiles and 2D images, with each spectrum represented as a voxel. We view these images in 3D space, having full control of rotation and slicing to see every part of our data. We control the plane shown, as well as the color, contrast and opacity for each image. You can then overlay images to show the spatial relationship between different components and their properties. If you want to investigate specific aspects of the result, you can export the area map files from the volume map. To get the most value out of your Raman analysis, there is an animation builder to show context of the results as a video, making it the best way to display your findings. The advanced functionalities of the volume viewer has everything you need to understand your samples in 3 dimensions.